Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Yeah, today we have a speaking test. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Tell me what's your name?
I have
My name is.
English.
How are you today?
I'm I'm happy.
How old are you?
I'm scared, so I'm
Where you
sorry.
from?
Việt Nam,
I'm from. I'm from.
I'm from Việt Nam.
Where do you live?
I'm in here.
Yeah, you live in India, right? So what colors do you like?
I have
I like.
I have yellow.
Yeah, and what toys you like? What toys you like?
I I have
I like.
I like
Do you like balls, kite, teddy bears, car, robots? So what toys you like? I like.
I like ball.
Yeah, very good. So what shapes do you like?
I like owl.
Yeah, very good. So what animals do you
I
like?
have a dog.
I like dogs. And look at Square and Philip. Tell me, how are you today?
I have a
I'm
I'm happy.
happy. How are you today?
I'm sad.
How are you today?
I'm hungry.
How are you today?
I'm
Thirst?
thirsty.
Yeah, how are you today?
I'm hot.
How are you today?
I'm cold.
How are you today?
I'm
Hi. Tired.
tired.
How are you today?
I'm
Sleep.
sleepy.
Sleepy. How are you today?
I'm
I'm bored.
I'm bored.
How are you today?
I'm
Scared.
scared.
How are you today?
I'm
Surprised.
surprised.
How are you today?
I'm
Excited.
excited.
Yeah, nice one. Shape. Tell me what shape is it? It's a
Triangle.
Yeah, nice one. How many sides does a triangle have?
Two, four,
3.
two,
What shape is it? It's a rectangle.
with
How many sides does a rectangle have?
four,
Yeah, nice one. What shape is it? So, circle. Yeah,
circle,
nice one.
Y,
Square. How many sides does a square have?
four,
Yeah, nice one. And what shape is it?
oval,
Yeah, very good. Nice one.
oval,
How many? So, nice one. What shape is it? Star.
star,
And what shape is it?
I,
Diamond.
lemon,
And tell me what color the triangle? What color the triangle?
I have a
It is orange. And what color is the rectangle?
I have a
It is yeah, yellow.
yellow,
And what color is the heart?
India, orange,
It is red. And my son, tell me what is it? Door.
Door.
So what shape is the door?
I have
It is a rec-
red,
rectangle.
rectangle,
Yeah, nice one. And what is it? It is a
window,
yeah. And what shape is the window? It is a square.
square,
And what is it?
no,
Donut. And what shape is the donut?
I have a
No, you say it is a circle. And next one, what is it?
I have a pizza,
It is a pizza. So what shape is a pizza? It is a triangle. Yeah, next one. Farm animals. Tell me, what do you see?
dog,
I see a.
dog,
I just say the whole sentence. I see a dog.
I see a dog, I see a rat. I see a pig. I see a cow. I see a bird. I see a kite. I see a hen. I see a squirrel.
Rooster.
I see a goat. I see a pig.
Sheep.
I see a
I see a horse.
I see a pig.
Pig. And tell me, what color is a duck?
I have a
It is?
duck.
It is yellow. And what color is a dog?
I
It is
wow.
brown. What color the fish?
Orange.
It is orange. And what color the cow? It is black and
White.
yeah. What color the bird?
Blue.
Yeah, very good. So nice. Okay, thank you. Come and say goodbye.